When I'm doing a lot of photo shoots these days, people want to hear music as they're doing a photo shoot, so I wanted to not just play the music from my iPhone like a dork. I want to have a Bluetooth speaker. So I did another video a while ago about some Bluetooth speakers, but they were pretty big. This one is small and portable, WONDERBOOM 3. In this video, I'm going to unbox it and just test it out on my iPod Touch. That's gone extinct, but I still have an iPod Touch. They come in different colors. This one is in blue. I think I like the blue the best. Maybe the black one is also good. Oh, let's look at the features that are shown on the box here. It's up to 14 hours of usage, but from other reviews that I've seen, the 14 hours is if you have the volume lower. When it's on full blast, I think it decreases. It's not really 14. 14 is probably the max you can get out of this. It has 360 degrees of sound, which some speakers, it's only going one way. This has all around. That's one of the benefits of this one. It's water resistant. Cool. I'm not going to drop it into the ocean, but it is some protection there. There's a 2-year warranty, and it could reach 130 feet from your device that's powering it, or that's sending the music to it. Let's open it up. I don't have any other WONDERBOOM products, or the Ultimate Ears, is that the company? I don't have any of their other products. I just was looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that had good reviews. I was recommended this by a friend who had a previous model. They said that this was a really good brand. Looks like it's some instructions. How to turn it on. Yep, that seems self-explanatory. And oh, here's the charging cable. USB. Oh no, that's a USB micro? What? Why are you using a USB micro? Come on. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, it's like a softball, the size of a softball. And oh, yeah, this is durable. I can already feel how durable this is. And that's where you put the charge it. Oh, I was hoping that this would also come with a 3.5 millimeter jack. One of the reasons why I really liked that previous Bluetooth speaker that I reviewed was that it had Bluetooth, but also had a 3.5 jack. So if you ever have an old analog, it can become an analog speaker as well. Ultimate Ears. But the future is going wireless. Pair this with my iPod and play some tunes, and then I'll use a shotgun mic. You're not going to get the full experience of what this actually sounds like, but we'll play some tunes.